Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. Today we have something special for all of our car enthusiasts out there. We've scoured through Amazon to bring you the ultimate list of the 11 coolest car gadgets that are still available in 2023. From must-have car accessories to the latest car tech, we have it all. So get ready for an exciting review of the best car gadgets on Amazon that you won't want to miss out on. Let's dive in. Number 11. ACool. Looking for a way to beat the heat in your car? Look no further than ACool. This innovative ventilation system is a game changer when it comes to protecting your car's interior from high temperatures. With just 2 modules placed on your car windows and a solar panel on your dashboard, ACool can reduce the interior air temperature by up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's not all. ACool also acts as a filter, removing up to 85% of chemical contaminants, viruses, and bacteria from the air. Made to order for each vehicle, ACool is available on Amazon starting at just $100. Don't wait! Get the coolest car gadget and best car accessory on the market today. Number 10. Fobo Tyre. Introducing Fobo Tyre, the ultimate solution to promote road safety by maintaining optimal tire pressure. Fobo Tyre Plus is an advanced wireless tire pressure monitoring system that works with your Android and iOS devices using the latest Bluetooth 4.0 technology. With its intelligent in-car monitoring unit, you can easily monitor your tire pressure round the clock, even when your car ignition is switched off. It alerts you in the absence of your smartphone and monitors up to 600 kPa or 87 psi. Get complete peace of mind and avoid accidents caused by underinflated tires with Fobo Tyre Plus, available on Amazon now. Number 9. KMMOTORS Coin Box. Looking to enhance the functionality of your car's interior? Check out the KMMOTORS Coin Box. Installation is a breeze. Just slide the holder into the seat gap, and you've got an extra cup holder, storage compartment, and a handy coin box. Easily access your coins with a simple movement. This gadget is perfect for anyone who needs a little extra organization in their car. Get your hands on the KMMOTORS Coin Box today for just $28 on Amazon. It's a must-have addition to any car. Number 8. Reviver Rplate Digital License Plate. Introducing the coolest car gadget available on Amazon. The Reviver Rplate Digital License Plate by Reviver is the future of license plates. The Rplate is a modern and convenient alternative to traditional license plates. The high-resolution screen displays your license information, and you can customize it to display your personal messages or images. The Rplate is also equipped with GPS technology, making it possible to track your vehicle's location and receive real-time alerts if it's moved without your permission. Plus, you can update your license plate remotely, so no more physical replacements are necessary. With its advanced technology and sleek design, the Rplate is a game changer for the automotive industry. Get yours today on Amazon and make your vehicle smarter and safer. Number 7. Auto Cafe. Introducing Auto Cafe, the perfect gadget for coffee lovers on the go. Say goodbye to cold coffee during your morning commute with this innovative electric cup holder. Priced at just $30, Auto Cafe is a must-have for anyone who enjoys a hot cup of coffee. This device is equipped with a built-in heater that monitors the temperature of your drink and turns on when the heat level drops below your desired temperature. The Auto Cafe fits perfectly in your center console cup holder, and it's safe to use with disposable cups as well as porcelain, plastic, and metal mugs. Get yours today on Amazon and enjoy a hot cup of coffee on the go. Number 6. Pneumatic Jack. Looking for a reliable and easy-to-use pneumatic jack for your repair shop? Look no further than Rack Jack. These powerful jacking tools are the preferred choice for frame racks, alignment machines, and all types of repair shops. With a compact design and virtually maintenance-free operation, Rack Jack is the easiest and fastest way to install pinch weld clamps on the frame machine. Each jack is manufactured to strict tolerances in our state-of-the-art Danbury, Connecticut facility using computer-controlled machines for accuracy. And with American-made pride, you can trust Rack Jack for proven reliability and durability in lifting vehicles on a repetitive basis. Available now on Amazon. Number 5. The Solid Shield. Introducing the Solid Shield, a game-changing invention designed in Saudi Arabia. a country known for its vast deserts and sandy terrains. This metal plate attaches to the car's wheel, greatly increasing its traction and allowing it to maneuver even the trickiest of terrains with ease. Watch as the car in the video gets deeply stuck in the sand, but quickly comes out of it with the help of the solid shield. The manufacturer offers plates of various shapes and sizes to fit different vehicle needs, all neatly packaged in a compact bag. For just $200, this investment is well worth it for any off-road enthusiast. Get yours today on Amazon. Number 4. ZF EasyTurn. Introducing the ZF EasyTurn, a revolutionary suspension system designed to give your vehicle a smoother, more efficient ride. This cutting-edge technology uses a unique strut suspension axle concept to absorb road shocks and vibrations, improving handling and stability. With a compact design, EasyTurn takes up less space than traditional suspension systems, making it ideal for vehicles with limited interior space. Whether you're driving a car, truck, or other vehicle, this innovative solution will transform your driving experience. Don't miss out on the benefits of the ZF EasyTurn. Upgrade your ride today. Available on Amazon as one of the coolest car gadgets and best car accessories. Number 3. Trek Safe LED Flares. Looking for a safer alternative to traditional road flares? Check out the Trek Safe LED Flares. This innovative product, available on Amazon, comes in a compact protective box with 2 signal sticks that can be mounted in seconds. The bright colors and flashing LEDs with reflective surfaces make them visible from up to 5,000 feet away, providing a safer and more effective way to signal drivers. Plus, these LED flares are reusable and hold their charge for an extended period, unlike traditional flares that only last for 15 minutes. Get your hands on this cool car gadget for just $20. Number 2. Icon Life. Introducing the Icon Life, a versatile and portable car wash gadget that's a must-have for car enthusiasts. With its adjustable water jet angle ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, Icon Life allows you to blast away dry dirt and clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether you're using it with a water tank or a regular hose, this gadget is designed to work with any water source. It also offers a range of brushes, including rotating ones, to help you achieve a thorough cleaning on all types of surfaces. Available on Amazon for only $13, the Icon Life is an affordable and convenient solution for keeping your car looking brand new. Number 1. Dride Zero. Introducing the Dride Zero, an innovative dash cam by Israeli company Dride that takes convenience to the next level. With only one button, it attaches easily to the front or back windshield and records high-quality video at 1440 pixels and 30 frames per second with a 170-degree angle. What sets it apart is that the recorded video is sent directly to the cloud, making it the world's smallest remote storage dash cam. With unlimited cloud storage capacity, you can easily transfer videos to your smartphone or computer. Prices for the Dride Zero start at just $69, making it a must-have gadget for any driver. Thanks for watching our list of the 11 coolest car gadgets still available on Amazon in 2023. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these gadgets, we've included links in the description box for your convenience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and lists of the latest and greatest tech gadgets.